Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean or Mustang09 bringing you a new video, and today we're in Utah. We're here, we're loving it, we're living here now, and we have the truck full of the family. You guys want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, Rex.
Hey, Rexy.
And then there's Shirley in the back, and Mama's up front.
Hey. And little Rexy's up front too.
Now Rexy's in Dad's seat. As you guys can tell, we have the F-250 out today. We're going on some trails, or a trail. We're headed to see, I think it's called the Tintic Train Tunnel. I don't know if it was ever used for a train or not, but it's this massive tunnel that you can drive your car through. So it should be good for some pictures. It should be good for some footage from you guys. And it'll be the first time we take the F-250 or the Beast off-road in Utah. So I'm excited about it. Got the family, got the dog. We usually don't take Rex with us, so I'm crossing my fingers it goes smoothly, but it should be good. We've got treats and water and stuff for him, so it'll be all right. But now, hop into the truck. Let's hit this road right now. I wasn't expecting there to be this much snow out still. We haven't had snow for a week.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Like at least a week, I think. And it's been warm, above freezing for most of that week, so it's kind of surprising. Pretty awesome going through the mountain.
Yeah. Maybe for my birthday we could do. We could put my birthday party in the middle of the center. In the center, like my birthday. Let's sit.
Sorry, guys.
That's a lot of cows.
Hello.
All the way from Texas to check
Yeah, exactly. How are y'all today? Good. Hello. So cool.
We made it to the tunnel, man. This is sick. Somebody actually has a fire going in here. I don't know. They tried to put it out, I guess. They separated the wood, so that'll slowly go out. But if you look, there's all these horse prints because I don't know if they give guided routes or if the people who own the private land on either side of the road just were riding through, but it was like a whole family. It was like a mom, a dad, a son, grandkids. It was really cool to see them come by. But yeah, we're up in here, man. The truck's down that way. It was a little tight, but not too bad. The F-250 made it, so I think anybody else shouldn't have an issue getting up in here. But I don't know where that road goes. Go out this way? Pretty awesome, though.
It's so cool.
Oh, oh, oh.
It is really sad. There's trash everywhere. People set off fireworks and left their trash.
Oh yeah, the firework trash. And there's cans and spray paint, and I just don't know why anybody would want to deface this kind of stuff. It's super cool, so it doesn't make sense to me. But that's the way out, and you can kind of see the undulation of the road, but not too bad.
I'm hurt.
You're fine, you're fine.
My legs hurt. It's okay.
You're fine, just brush it off.
They really hurt.
Shirley wants to be the adventure queen, but anytime there's a spill, it's the end of the day, so. But yeah, this is so cool. We'll have to get the truck over here and take some photos real quick. But this is super awesome. The headlights look dope under here. Oh man, Dad just stepped in cat and horse poop.
Could be either.
I'll go pull the truck up.
Julie.
Rixie made it out.
Yes.
He smells the horses.
Really?
Coming this way?
Yeah.
You gonna go tell him?
Yeah, we need to back out.
Okay.
Sorry for the abrupt ending here. We're back in the home office, and what happened yesterday is we got through the tunnel, started taking some pictures, doing some walkarounds, and then 2 other vehicles showed up, and they were like at the nose of the tunnel. So we were like, okay, we've either got to back up to get out of here or pull forward. Made the executive decision just to go ahead and pull on out of there. The road on the way out is quite boring. It's just like a farm road. So nothing special there. Overall, the tunnel was super cool. If you're in Utah, look it up. It's the Tintic Tunnel. Very easy to get to. Any SUV or truck, I think, could get there. Not a problem. Utah has a lot of adventuring. Courtney and I and Shirley are excited about this. We got a lift ordered for Courtney's 4Runner. Half of it showed up. The other half is on the back order, so we're waiting for that. But there's so much to do. I think my next adventure is going to be diving a little bit more into this ice fishing scene up here. I've never really ice fished until like a couple weeks ago. I did it with my buddy Joey. That was super exciting. So there's a lot of reservoirs we can go check out up on the mountain. Multiple types of species you can catch: rainbow trout, tiger trout, walleye. Walleye is a one that I really want to try because I'd like to eat a walleye. I think everybody says walleye is like the fish to eat. So if we can catch some that are eaters, would love to keep them and put them on the dinner plate. But if you guys are interested in seeing stuff like that, let me know in the comment section below. Not a whole lot of racing going on up here because there's no drag strip and it's winter time. So it's kind of crummy out to be taking the car out, but we have the truck, so we can definitely do that. Adventures in the truck are always going to be fun. So let me know in the comment section below what you want to see more of. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you boys back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.